Abram kept traveling south. He had left his home, answering God's call. But the path of faith is never without challenges. A great hunger came to the land, so Abram went down to Egypt to stay there. Facing scarcity, Abram's faith is tested. Will he keep trusting God? Facing the unknown in Egypt, fear takes over Abram. Fearing for his life, he asks Sarai to say she is his sister. He chooses fear instead of trust. Does this compromise sound familiar to you? It's the same one that makes us make our resumes sound better, keep quiet about our beliefs at work, or live a double life on social media. Like King Saul, who disobeyed because he was afraid of the people, or Jonah, who ran from his mission, Abram looks for a shortcut. But these side paths, born from worry, might buy a little time, but never inner peace. A lie, even when motivated by fear, always leaves a trace of worry, a desert in the heart. But God steps in. He strikes Pharaoh and his household with troubles to protect Sarai. Even when we mess up, God stays true to his promises. Abram leaves Egypt. This leaving isn't just a failure, but a strong return to faith. Egypt stands for our human hiding places, those compromises that seem so safe to us. A bad job, a secret habit, a relationship that pulls us away from what we're meant to do. It's where fear chokes out trust. But God, in His kindness, doesn't leave us there. He calls us to leave all spiritual Egypts to find our way back to trust. Like the lost child who comes home, this return is an act of bravery. It means unplugging, seeking help, rebuilding our personal altars through prayer and community, to finally walk again towards the promised land. God makes up for lost time and puts our steps back in line with His will. Abram's journey reminds us, faith isn't about being perfect. It's a direction, a constant turning back to God, even after our detours and compromises. Like Abram, we might stumble, but the main thing is to get back up and continue the journey with Him. When fear makes us take a wrong turn, God doesn't leave us. Like a divine GPS, He reroutes us, always offering a way back to His will. His faithfulness is our biggest safety. So, the question is for each of us. What Egypt do you need to leave this week? A bad job? A secret habit? A fear that stops you? Share it in the comments. And where have you seen God reroute you lately? Your story can encourage someone else. God stays faithful. Let's trust Him. Like this video, share it, and subscribe so you don't miss anything.